Hi, my name is Dexter Childs, and this is my introduction speech presentation. A life quote that I find very interesting is life is short, focus on what matters, and let go of what doesn't. What matters to me is family, and this is a picture of me and my wife on our wedding day. We'd been dating 4 years prior to this, and we couldn't be happier. This is a picture of my German Shepherd puppy who just turned 1 year old, and a picture of my little Basenji that is 9 years old. A little bit about my story and my goals. I was in a very serious car accident where a tree branch went into my chest, and I was in the hospital for about a month and a half, and I was on life support for about 16 days. This is me on the ECMO machine that kept me alive, and this is the firefighters that saved my life that I got to meet and hang out with a year later after the accident. And I got to take a picture next to the ambulance that I rode on that day. This accident has led me to have a better understanding and a better appreciation for our medical personnel, which has led to me wanting to be a trauma nurse. And another thing that's very important to me is traveling. And here are some pictures of one of my favorite trips that I've ever been on, which is when we went to the Bahamas and we stayed at the Atlantis Hotel, which was amazing. And we did a whole bunch of stuff where we went snorkeling and got to see some dolphins and ride some dolphins and sea lions and all kinds of stuff. Here is a picture of a octopus that we got to see while we were snorkeling. I didn't know at the time that they had beaks that they could bite you, but nevertheless, he didn't bite me, and it was really cool. I probably wouldn't do it again, but it was awesome. So the conclusion is 3 important things to me are my family, my goals in life, and traveling. And that's it. Thank you.